Hey, how's it going, guys? All right, so we're here installing another another fence. All right, so we got most of the holes dug for the fence, and we're working on attaching post to a concrete wall. So how are we doing that? We are using post based, right? So as you can see over here, we're basically dug or drilled into the concrete, and these go in the hole, and that attaches to the post over here, and that's how we're doing it. Got another hole to dig, so hey, let's see how we get this done. Now, I've noticed over the years, just with experience using using this bit to drill into concrete, it overheats. When it overheats, it makes the drilling that much harder. So what we do is, well, what I do is, I add water to it as I'm basically drilling. So that keeps the tip nice and cool, and keeps it drilling. So this one, let's see if we can get this one in. Okay, here we go. Fits perfectly.